In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a POWr app to your Weebly website. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then log in to your account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the editor. Once you are inside the editor, click on Apps from the top menu. This will open the App Center where you can browse different tools. Use the search bar and type POWr to find available POWr apps. Choose the app you want, then click Add and Connect to install it on your site. After connecting, go back to the editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. On the left side, scroll down to Installed Apps. You'll see the POWr app you just added. Drag and drop it onto your page wherever you want it to appear. You can now customize the app settings based on your needs directly on your site. That's how to add a POWr app to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.